Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. There's not an ounce of sun in the sky today. It's super gloomy. I lit a candle. I put a super comfy outfit on. I threw my hair in a braid, a little bit of makeup on, and I decided that I wanted to film a video for you guys. This is a video that I've been wanting to do, so I'm really excited that I'm finally getting around to it. Also, my apartment where I live, it's just very loud. The street is very loud, very busy, and so if you can hear cars, traffic, whatever, I'm sorry, but just know that's what it is. But yeah, so I just have my coffee. Today we are going to be doing a closet clean out. A huge closet clean out, as well as reorganizing, putting together some new furniture pieces, a little bit of bathroom organization, lots of clean out today, but mainly my closet. So this is what my closet looks like. It's very unique. It's an open style in my apartment, so it doesn't have any doors or anything. It's literally this entire wall is filled with just this like wall closet, and I just feel like I'm not utilizing it great right now, and I also don't wear half of the clothes that I have. They're all very old from high school. You know, my style's changed, so I just want to go through everything today, make that whole area look, 1, a lot cuter, 2, decluttered, and 3, just put in some new decoration, organizational things. I have a new idea for how I want to use that drawer and shelf space, so I'm very excited. The first thing that I'm going to do is just fold some laundry that I did, and also throw in my sheets and some more laundry into the washer just to kind of prep before I start cleaning everything out. So cheers, let's go do that. So silly right now, but I finished folding my clothes. You guys don't even want to know how long I had that laundry basket full of clean clothes because I got kind of sick like a week ago and I never folded them. Do you guys hear my cat? My cat in a box. She is so crazy. The kitty energy is real, you guys, and she's teething so bad right now. Woo. Anyways, my laundry is folding. It had been sitting in my room for like a week, which I hate and I never do. So I'm glad I got that put away. I have the new loads of laundry in the wash. I'm also washing my sheets, my towels, and my bath mat. Now I'm gonna go through all of my hanging clothes, and I have 3 different piles or like options that I'm gonna sort things by. 1 is gonna be to bring home and see if my sister wants any of it, and if she doesn't, that's gonna go to donation. 2, stuff that I wanna keep here. And 3, stuff that I want to sell on POSHMARK. Today's video is actually sponsored by POSHMARK, which is very exciting. I've been using POSHMARK for years before I even started making YouTube videos, so it's a really cool sponsor to have because I've been using it long before being sponsored by them. POSHMARK really is the easiest way to sell your clothes when cleaning out your closet or just getting rid of a few things. You can also shop on there, and you can find clothes that are brand new or slightly used that are from your favorite brands and sold for a lot cheaper. I'll be listing items in a little bit, but listing is so easy. You literally just take a picture of the item, add a little description, and then post it. You guys can download the POSHMARK app using my link that's in the description box, and you guys will be able to shop all the clothes that I'm about to go through right now and put on there, and also post your own listings if you want. Okay, time to clean out my closet.
Kicked off my shoes, tripped acid in the ring. My jacket is a cape, to my brother as a king. The richest man rocks the snatchless necklace. Spineless bitches and backless dresses. Wore my feelings on my sleeveless. My weed seedless, my trees leafless. I miss my diet, no grilled cheeses. And back when Mike Jackson was still Jesus. Before I believed in not believing in. Yeah, I inhale, who believed in me not breathing in. Cigarettes ain't smile.
Hi you guys, it's me from the future. In these next clips, I realized that I didn't really do a good job explaining what I was doing, so I'd gone through and sifted out the clothes that I didn't want in my closet anymore, and at this point I'm kind of just going through and I'm color coordinating everything and making it look nice, move a few things around, reorganize my shelves, as well as get a new jewelry organizer. So that's basically what I do in these upcoming clips. That's all for me. me and Kitty. Back to the video. Please ignore my blotchy self-tan that's coming off right now. I finished the closet and I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm super obsessed. I really love how it looks. I like how I utilized the space a lot more than I did. Yeah, I'm just obsessed and I'm gonna show you guys right now. So this is an overview of what it looks like. Let's take a flash to what it was before. And then back to this. I'm obsessed. It looks so good. So let's start over here. We have my mirror. I ended up using this little basket that used to hold my blankets. I'm gonna turn into my laundry hamper because my blankets are gonna go in that drawer because that drawer used to be my laundry hamper, but it was way too small. So swapped that. I have this little makeshift drawer shelf situation over here that looks really nice and neat. All my long sleeves and hoodies are up here, color coordinated. It makes such a big difference when everything's color coordinated. These are short sleeves and tank tops. My Scrabble's up there. And then going down, I have all of my sweatpants, jeans, joggers, and then a couple pairs of shoes that I wear most often. Turning, we have the drawers and then the shelves. So up there I have boots that I haven't been wearing yet. It hasn't been cold enough, but I might swap down once it gets colder and I wear them more often, but for now they're just up there. I have 3 little bins that just have a bunch of like miscellaneous stuff. That's like an electronic bin, pens and pencils, and that's like some phone cases. Going down, I have some books, some of my favorite books, some books that I want to read, some books that I'm currently reading, makeup brushes, and then this little white bin has just the things that I like grab and go a lot. So this is like my pencil case that would normally be like in my backpack or something. So when I go and do homework somewhere, I like grab that and throw it in. So I like to have it just accessible. This is like some markers and Sharpies. I also keep like my camera in that. And then going down, I got this new jewelry organizer. I'll link this below for you guys. I'm really loving it. I don't have many necklaces though, so turns out that I need to buy some more necklaces. I'm just way more of like an earring girl than a necklace girl. I like earrings and rings. I don't really like wearing necklaces, but I should probably get some. My mirror, I definitely need to clean that. Very, very cute. Very boring, but some drawers, like I said, blankets, shorts and pajamas, skirts, leggings. And then over here, this is a curtain. I actually put this up. It wasn't here, but this is just like an expandable curtain rod, so it doesn't do any damage and just super cheap, like $10 white curtain. I keep my kitty's food back there, a box of the clothes that I'm selling on Poshmark, just so they're put away in one spot. I have some hats down here. This is like the electrical box, so I like to just like have something to cover it. I also keep extra hangers, and then I also keep my TV back here when it's not on my desk. But yeah, you guys, that is the overview. I'm obsessed. You guys don't even know. Right now I'm going to go through and take pictures of all the clothes that I want to sell on Poshmark, and then I'm going to sit down and list them all, and it'll be really easy. I'm just going to throw on like some YouTube videos in the background. It's getting kind of late, so this is a nice way to just kind of like chill and end my night. That's it for this video. I finished reorganizing my closet. I'm looking at it right now and it just makes me so happy. I have a couple candles going. I love organization so much. If you're a real one, you would notice that my room is also rearranged. So I have a video coming out soon that is going to be all of me like redecorating and redoing my room. So make sure you're subscribed so that you guys can see that. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.